In a wheelchair and with a neck brace, former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo finally appears at her arraignment. The Pampanga representative is facing plunder charges before the anti-graft court Sandigan Bayan, accused of misuse of Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office funds. Arroyo, who is under hospital arrest, is accompanied by her family, lawyers, and nurses as she arrives 7:30 in the morning to face the court. Her arraignment was originally set for October 15, but was moved after Arroyo was rushed to the intensive care unit a few days before. She refuses to enter a plea as she waits for a verdict by the Supreme Court on her petition to annul the plunder trial against her. By default, the court enters a not guilty plea on her behalf. Arroyo's lawyer Raul Lambino says entering a plea means Arroyo recognizes the court.
If she is going to enter a plea of not guilty, then in effect that would be tantamount to, we can say, a recognition of the jurisdiction of the court and recognition of the findings of the ombudsman or the action of the ombudsman, and that's why.
Arroyo refuses to speak to media and leaves Sandigan Bayan by 8:50 to return to Veterans Memorial Medical Center. Prosecutor Justdado Calonges says he understands Arroyo's decision.
I don't think there is still a remedy because the Supreme Court is the final arbiter, and then necessarily will go to the trial on the merits if there is no temporary restraining order or permanent injunction issued by the court.
A few hours after Arroyo's arraignment, the Supreme Court issues a temporary restraining order for Arroyo's co-accused, Commission on Audit's Nilda Plaras. The TRO stops the arrest of Plaras. While the TRO does not cover Arroyo, her counsel Anacleto Diaz says it is a good sign. For Diaz, it indicates a need to re-examine the issue of probable cause. In recent interviews, President Aquino reiterates the need to bring big fish to justice. But for now, the waiting game for this big fish continues. Natashya Gutierrez, Rappler, Manila.